welcome back to this video series on the topic of percentage and playtime. In this lesson, we're going to have a look at how we can decrease an amount by a percentage. The word decrease means to make smaller. Decreasing an amount by a percentage makes the final amount smaller than the original. Consider $80 decreased by 14% is $68.8. Notice that our final amount is smaller than our starting amount of $80. That's because it's been decreased by 14%. Now let's have a look at how we do this calculation. Example A, decrease $80 by 14%. What we need to pay attention to here is the language used. Firstly, it's decrease. Now, because it's decrease, we have to pay attention to the percentage we're decreasing by, in this case 14%. To start off this calculation, I go open some brackets and I write 100%. Now, because it's a decrease, what we're going to do is we're going to get the percentage, which is 14%, and we're going to subtract it from the 100%. Finally, we're going to multiply this by $80. Next, I start doing the calculations. In the brackets, 100 take away 14% is going to give me a value of 86% multiplied by the $80. Next, I turn $86 into a decimal, so that's going to be 0.86. And again, that's going to be multiplied by the $80. And finally, I say up we come to the calculator to finish this calculation off. It'll be 0.86 multiplied by $80, thus revealing a value of 68.8. So in summary, the way in which we decrease an amount by a percentage is firstly, we identify the word decrease. We convert this into 100%. We then get our percentage and we subtract it from the 100% because it's a decrease operation. After which, we convert that percentage back into a decimal form, and then we multiply the decimal with the amount we want to decrease, thus yielding our decreased amount. Let's try this again in example B. Decrease 20 ducks by 10%. First thing we do is we identify the word decrease. Next, we get our percentage, which is 10%. Now, because we're decreasing, what this means is that we're going to go 100%. And as a result of the decrease, it's going to be subtract the 10% multiplied by, we're working with 20 ducks. Next line, we're going 100% take 10%, that gives us 90%, multiplied by the 20 ducks. 90 converted back into a decimal is 0.90. And finally, performing this calculation, I say up we come to the calculator, and it's 0.9 multiplied by the 20 ducks, and that gives us 18. And because this is a whole number, there's no need to do any rounding here. We're allowed to have exactly 18 ducks. So in summary, what we had a look at in this lesson was how we can decrease a whole amount by a percentage. The way in which this is done, firstly, we identify the word decrease. And because this is a decrease, we also identify our percentage. We get our decrease, turn that into 100%, and then subtract the percentage we're working with. Evaluating this, we then convert the percentage back into a decimal form and then multiply that with our original amount, thus yielding our decreased amount.